Toolbox Tur 2020. Snap-on 84-inch. This is more for my own records than for any other reason. Has junk drawer, infrared camera, short finder, you know, Power Pro. Check. Snap-on multimeter, cutters, all kinds of wiring tools. That's more electrical. This is freaking power. You got drills, you got impact, electric, some mold stuff, different drills. This one's kind of unfinished. This one's kind of junky. This one, their fuel testing equipment, all kinds of. You got your pullers. These are more walkout tools. Air hammer, wheel locks. Kinds of punches. Pliers, snap ring pliers. This one needs some more work and organization. I got some missing stuff, but don't really use wrenches that much. You got picks, screwdrivers, that kind of thing. Here's a socket drawer. I definitely have some sockets and extensions in here. Got the open area. As I said, snap-on 84-inch. Over here, got a little vacuum cleaner, some fluids and miscellaneous crap. Extension cords. This is recent edition. So drills, kits, more electrical. Not really anything else, but as I said, this walker, it takes me a while to move stuff because this is definitely overcrowded. The wheels, ratchets. You have your chasers and red nut kits. This is definitely the coolest things Mac ever made. Chassis ear, sawzall, and engineer, coolant tester, stuff I never use, stuff that I need to reorganize. This is definitely a junk drawer. Fluid extractor, fluid jump box, fluids. And of course, a dog. Everybody needs a dog in the shop. It's one of the most important items. You can give it a get-you-go every once in a while. Midget booster because I'm short as fuck. And that'll be it.